Hi guys, I'm new to YouTube and all this stuff, so this is my first video, so yeah. Anyway, this video is gonna be about unboxing. But hi, I'm Sonia, and today we're gonna be talking about we're going to be unboxing something I've wanted for a while since I've gone back into school. And I want you guys to guess if you guys want to. First, it might be a new lunchbox, or 2, a heating container for food, or 3, both. No. Well, since you've had time to think about it, if you said both, you're correct. Kind of. Now let's get started. Oh, and by the way, tell me when you spot the unicorns, chattery teeth, or panda bears and cats like that anywhere in the video, even if they're stickers or like this and just chattering around in the video or just pop up. Oh, and my mom is going to be the camera person for this video. I'll always tell you the person, just to give you a heads up. Whoa! This is the first thing, a bento box. There are 5 different colors. White over gray, pink over dark pink, light blue over dark blue, light green over dark green, and orange over very dark blue. Which one do you think it is? Well, since you've had barely any time to think about that, sorry, you can pause the video then, but it's okay. No one must be. Well, let's start it open, and then you'll get to guess what it is. Oy. If you said pink, you're correct. There's a hidden compartment on the top for this soup bowl, chili bowl. My mom, at the end, might get into that a little bit more, but you just have to wait and see. It has these little bunnies on the lid. They look angry, but they're not really. Like, the carrots are their eyes, and yeah. At first, I did not think that. But anyway, and it has this flower vent, so it's very easy to open, but the first few times it was kind of hard. So yeah, and comes with its own spoon and fork, which I think is very cool because these are specific to this. It's also dishwasher safe, but not microwave safe. So yeah, put it back in. Three very strong holder things.
4.
Yeah, what?
You said 3.
4, yeah, 4, what my mom said. It has this thank you dear customer thing, which we will get into after we're done saying about this. It has 3 compartments, one for something big like chicken or salad or food like that, and then 2 little compartments for something else, like pretzels, gummies, something like that.
Rice, vegetables.
Yeah. Again, it's not microwave safe, but dishwasher safe for those parents who don't really like to wash things by hand or something like that. I'm also happy about that because I do the dishes, so it'll be easier on me as well. Now, moving on to thing number 2. Pause. There's something supposed to be in the crystal teleporter. Let's try that again. Whoa! Now it worked. Just needed a little bit of bend. So here we have what is it again, Mommy?
That is a Yes.
Chancy.
Yes, the brand is Charcy.
Charcy.
It is a thermos for soup.
Yeah, and things like that. It's 17 ounces.
It's excited.
Yeah. Mr. Teeth, aren't you excited? Come on. Come on. You know you want to be on the show. Yeah, it is very exciting. I'm excited you just get food stuff. And make sure to brush your teeth. That's enough, Mr. Teeth. But you need to brush your teeth.
Okay.
Anywho, there's a astronaut, a fox, a pineapple, and more here. It also says pineapple right here. Pineapple writing word. This thing is cool. It's like a galaxy and such. This one says Happy Holidays. There's a dino with about to eat that's about to eat a pineapple. Something that says train. Yeah.
Very decorative packaging.
Yeah, and it has a how to use on one of the sides. Whichever way you open it. Anyway, let's open it. Oh, I forgot to close the crystal teleporter. Anywho, I got a pink and blue fade-in thermos.
Does it say how big it is?
Yeah, I already said it had 17 ounces.
17 ounces? Oh, I'm sorry, I missed that.
Well, and it has some extra parts in there. We'll get to that in just a minute. This counts as a bowl. It's just pink on the outside, but it'll make sense why, because it's such a big thing. Okay. It comes with a fold-out spoon. Open that to show you. Unfold, Mr. Spoon. Fair warning, there are going to be a lot of animals on this channel. It's a fold-out spoon, so you can just go nom nom or nom nom. And in the food container, there's this little opening spot, so you can put, like, again, gummies, crackers, that sort of thing in. And when you put this bit in, make sure that when it's folded, that the folded bit is folded towards you, like this.
Yeah, that the folded part is facing up.
It was very stable in the video, but yeah. Again, 17 ounces, very big. And make sure to do it one by one. I tried it both ways. It does not work like that. But yeah. Mommy,
What?
Is the microwave safe or dishwasher safe?
Dishwasher safe, yes, not microwave safe.
Okay, so how you'd use it is you'd pour in hot ice water, and that's preheated in it. I'm just reading the how to use
Okay,
for you
so
guys, so
you pour in hot water, not hot ice water, but you pour in hot water or ice water so it can keep the temperature of the food.
shake for a few seconds and let it set for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour out hot or cold water and then pour in the food.
Perfect.
And again, this is on the side of the box. I'm not giving you the information just from Amazon. So, yeah.
What else came with it?
Oh, thanks. I almost forgot about it. This thing, and I think that's what these instructions are for. Tips for buyers, not dishwasher safe. Please wash with warm water or cool water below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Not natural drying. Do not expose to the sun. Do not wash or soak in water for a long time. Please wash the pattern carefully when basically be careful when you're washing this because it can come off. And
So hand wash only.
Don't wash it with hard soap that can like Dawn that can scrub off the hardest stain or something like that. Still doesn't tell us what this is.
That is a cleaner.
Oh, it is?
Yep, it's a sponge to help clean the inside of it because it's very deep.
Oh, so I'm guessing you put this part in this bit.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah. Anyway, we'll show you guys when it's done all together. But yeah. That's the end of this video. Did you notice that how many times did Mr. Teeth and Miss Unicorn come into the video? Not including this ending part. But yeah. And this is the end of video 1. In the next video at the beginning, we will show you the actual product, my first view and
Review.
first use, and yeah. I think I'm really going to enjoy this product. Anyway, thank you, and we'll see if we recommend it or not.
Yep, and thanks, Wayla, for being awesome.
Yeah, my grandma got all of this stuff for me. Anyway, bye-bye. Oh, and in the comment section, please let me know what I should call you guys. Like, you know, Cookies for OC turned into some cupcake guys and called you chocolatey chippy cookies and stuff like that. So let me know what you guys want to be called. Okay, thanks, bye. And oh, by the way, it's my first video, but it's going to be on my mom's channel, not mine. So,
if you're looking for the YouTube channel, it is at Tori, Toric Reynolds, like Reynolds Wrap. So at Tori C. Reynolds. Happy watching.
yeah, thanks, bye. Remember to comment what you want me to call you.